Hi, let's now try to add the testimonials. So this section is what we want. Okay, so exactly this entire thing is not present in the templates. So we'll take a template which will have the initial part and all the other parts we will add them. Okay, go to examples in Bootstrap and there are jumbotrons. So we will take this jumbotron. Okay, basically we don't have the complete structure. So whatever is available we are taking. So if you go to this class, the center part is highlighted. We can copy that. Copy and copy element. Now we will place it in our code. Now you can see that we got it. So we got this one, but what we wanted is some heading. And one more thing, this heading is too big, H1. So we don't want too many H1s in the website. We already have a H1, right? Again, we are getting one H1. So let's convert it to H2. And let's change the text to what we want. So we have a file in which we have kept all the text that we want to have. And then we want a picture of the dog, and below the dog we want a paragraph. So if you look at the actual website, show the actual website, final website, you can see that there is some text, there is a picture, below that there is a para, and then below that there are again some logos. Okay. Let's now add the image. We have already downloaded an image of a dog. So then, since this is about dogs, we have downloaded dog pictures. So a dog picture, it should look like this, but if you look at it, it is looking too big. We want a small one with a circle. Okay, so let's do that. Let's change the height of it. So let's give the styles to profile image. So we have added that image with profile image class. So to the profile image we are giving height. And border radius 50. It will become a circle. So we will add this profile image class to image. To the image tag, we are adding that class. Now the class will get that style. Undo it, Control Z. Yeah. So now we have got a smaller one, this one. But then there need to be some spacing here above the dog and also above the paragraph. So we will add that spacing. So we will go to image and then we are going to add margin top 5. Then above the image we will get some space. Similarly, for the paragraph below the image also we will add margin top 2. Some gap. Okay, so we got gap here and we got gap here. So it looks exactly like what we wanted. Now we want to add the logos. So why these logos is, it means that our website is featured in TechCrunch, Mashable, Business Insider, T&W. Okay. It is featured in all those, let us assume. Then we are going to show them. So we are going to create a container. With the class container. A division with the class container. Now we are going to create a row. And then we can add columns in it. So each column is going to be one logo. And we want it to have each element to take 3 columns if the size is large, and each of them to take the entire space, which means 12 columns if the size is small. So that is the meaning of it. Column large 3 means if the screen is large, we want each element to take 3 columns. If the screen is small, 12 columns, so that when they watch it in a mobile, that all of the elements will occur one after the other. So we are going to put the images, copy paste it. We are going to put 4 images, so we will copy paste 4 times. I think that is sufficient. Don't do the changes. Okay. Anyway, they will change if they want. So now we have got all this, but only problem is the size of all these logos is too big. We want to decrease the size. So to the images, we are going to give height 30. Yeah, now they are looking good. They are small and looking good. Okay, thank you. Hi, let's now look at the website. So the final website is having, go down. Yeah, here these 2 sections are remaining. So one is the pricing section and the other one is footer with a background. Okay, you can observe that the pricing section is having black colors. Okay, so we are not going to change the text. I will just show you how to just add them. You change the text if you want. So here we are going to have some text, and then here we are going to have pricing. So let's see in Bootstrap. We have pricing. Go to examples, and if you go down, scroll down, there will be pricing somewhere. Yeah, here. So pricing examples are available. So we will take this one. Now we will copy this text, heading, and then some paragraph, and then we will copy this pricing part. Let's inspect it. And below it there is one more part. So we are not going to copy the entire division, entire div element, because we will get this compare plan also. We don't want to compare plans. So we want only these 2 elements. So we will select only these 2 elements one by one, and we will copy them in our code. So if you inspect it, yeah, so this div is covering this entire part. So let's copy this div, copy, and then copy element, and let's paste it in this section called pricing. Now open the website. Our website will get that paragraph. Reload it. Yeah, so go down. Yeah, here it is present. So some pricing and then some paragraph is present. Below this, we want the pricing tables, all those pricing cards. Now there are 3 cards in the example. We will use those 3 cards. If you want one more card, you can apply it. So this main is the actual element which is covering this entire 3 cards. So let's copy it. Yeah, div. This div is covering this div is covering this entire element. Let's copy it. And we have to put it in a container. So we will put it. We will write a div with the class container, and we will paste the code inside it. So now we have got pricing also, but one problem that we have is we want black color, not blue color. So button primary is used here. So we will convert it to button dark, we will get black. So you can Control F primary and then you can replace it with dark. So it is replaced. Now you can see the color is dark now. Okay, so this actually looks good on our website. Now let's add footer. So let's go to Bootstrap and let's see where the footers are available. So here the footers are available. We will take a footer. Yeah, this footer looks good. So inspect element, just inspect, copy element, that's it. So when you inspect it, so here this is the division, this is the div which is containing the footer. So let's copy element. And paste it in the appropriate place. Okay, now you will see that you got the footer also, but then let's have some background. So if you see the final website, just see the final website, there is some background color here. Background color is there. So let's add it. We have already added this color earlier. So we have to just add that class. So here gradient black background is already there. Styling has already been done. So let's add that class to the footer. Now you get the gradient color. Okay, something has happened. So we are creating one more div. To that div we are giving gradient. Yeah, so we have got this color also. So this is how you can make websites very fast. You can build any website very fast using Bootstrap. You have to just see what are the parts available, take them. Otherwise go into website and see the components and add components one by one. Component code will be given. You don't really have to write a lot of code. Only customization you have to do. Most of the part will be available. Okay, thank you.